So hey guys, so today I got a new item to replace on the door sills here. If you remember, I put these rubber ones that say Acura on them. I do like these. Just trying to get something a little bit nicer. And I know the OEM ones, for my taste, are a little small. That's why I took them off in the first place. They're only like a foot long, and for this big door sill, it looks a little out of place. And then I have the back ones here. These aren't bad. I think I paid $13 for them. They're cheap. They actually protect the sill. My son steps on them all the time. And they're rubber, so that's good. But I just wanted something that kind of blends more, but has a little extra touch. So I'll show you what I just picked up. I'll put a link in the description, guys. These are, I think they cost $23 for a set of 4. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So you can probably see through the bag here what they are. I'll open them up and I'll show you. So they're carbon fiber sills. I think they look really nice. Come with adhesive already on it. It's simply peel and stick. So as you can see, they're substantially smaller, the back ones, but that's okay. It still protects the main area where my kids step. I just wish the front ones were longer and a little bit thicker. They're a little skinny, but I haven't found any that are actually thicker than this. So here's the front one. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same, but I just wish that they're like a ½ inch thicker to actually do more job protecting. You know, but like I said, I've looked around, haven't seen them, but I think they have a really high quality look. I like the carbon fiber look. So let me go ahead and I'll just stick them on and I'll show you. So here's how they look. I just centered them up like how I had the other ones. Really nice when the light hits it. I like carbon fiber. I do like that dimension it gives it. Now, of course, it doesn't protect the edge there, but you can simply put clear 3M over the whole sill and then stick these on top, and then it'll protect the actual paint. It's always a good idea to do, even if you aren't running sills. And I'll show you the other side here. Really nice. I like them. Like I said, it would be perfect if they were thicker, but this is what it is. For 20-something bucks, it's a cheap way to add a nice little touch, and it's, I don't know, I feel like it blends in more, especially because my paint is dark. But I like them, I do. I don't know, something, I always like having a nice door sill on there because I feel like you open the door, it's the first thing you kind of, your eyes are drawn to. Hoping to find something different, maybe even down the road. I do like the, like I said, the factory aluminum A-spec ones. They're just small. They're only, I think, 12 inches. And when I bought the car, I thought it looked like an afterthought because they're very teeny for this car. It looked like they belonged in the back seat. So I know the Acura light up ones are nice, but they're almost $400. Pretty pricey. I do love them a lot. I do. Maybe later I'll buy those and do an install video on them as well. There's just a lot. I mean, I could install them. They're pretty straightforward. They're plug and play. You just have to take out some panels, lift up the carpet. I just don't know if $400 is worth spending on those because they do get scratched up, all of them. I mean, you do kick them, they get dogged up. Then they don't look as sharp, of course. But I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the future if I plan on doing that. If you guys have them, let me know what your thoughts are on them. Again, I just want to show you a cheaper way to add a nice little touch to it. Like I said, when the light hits them, the carbon fiber looks really awesome, I think. Again, for 20-something bucks, you can't beat it. Again, let me know what you guys are doing for your Acuras. If you guys are rocking the stock ones, if you did something different. Like some ideas. It's nice to change it up once in a while too, to give it that fresher look. So I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I'll have another video coming up very shortly, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.